Another Canva trick for today is, ito ay para dun sa mga gumagamit ng Canva for video editing. So, recently I found out that you can already add captions sa video edit mo here in Canva. So, here, I'll add a video. And then, marami na ring options ang video dito sa Canva. So, yung mga ina-upload ko na reels and other videos na short form dito sa account ko is edited in Canva lang din. So, here, ang options natin is you can edit or adjust the color na. So, for color grading, pwede ding background remover, pwede ding highlights, may filters din, and then you can adjust the video speed. And then here, you can cut kung anong portions lang yung gagamitin mo. And kung need mo naman, pwede siya dito. You can just right-click and split the page or press S and yan. Automatic mag-split na yung video or makakat yung video sa gitna. And then here, you can also adjust the volume up to 400 already. So, dati 100 lang siya and you cannot do anything about that. But ngayon meron na. And then, once you click on the video and then pwede nyo adjust yung volume, you can click here, edit. And then, lalabas yung audio tools here. You can enhance the voice if may nagsasalita dun sa video nyo. So, marami na tayong options available for videos here sa Canva. And then, as I mentioned, yung i-feature natin ngayon is yung caption. So, to add captions, just go to apps. So, search captions lang. And then, yung pinaka-simple icon na makikita nyo yung first is the built-in one of Canva. So, it will automatically detect which video has speech. So, ayan, one of one is selected na. And then, kapag maraming videos, you can just tick or unselect yung mga hindi nyo naman kailangan. So, nag-generate na ako ng caption. So, ayan, yan yung itsura ng captions. Pero parang medyo meron pa silang bug dito sa captions nila. So, here, I can edit the captions from here. And dahil nga may bug pa yung background ng captions, what I'll do is, I'll turn off the effects. So, I'll put the background style as none. And then, I'll do brown text color. And then, since okay na yung captions, and then, you can play, ayan, automatic na lalabas yung mga captions doon sa video nyo. So, parang transcripting na din siya. And then, you can also adjust the captions here. Kung may kailangan kayong i-delete nyo. And then, kung meron naman kayong kailangan idagdag, pwede nyo siyang idagdag dito. And then, you can also delete all captions. Detect naman niya na Tagalog yung video. And then, Tagalog din yung transcript na nilagay niya. So, ayun lang. I hope this video helps and see you on my next one.